So yeah guys, I want to talk to you. I feel bad because I haven't uploaded a video with this car in like 2 months, ever since the paint job. The car is still in great shape. There's just one small issue that's been going on. Yeah, I know you could hear that. Even when you brake, you could hear it. It's just crazy, man. She's cool, so I cannot push her too hard. She sounds so good.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so we have a fix. Mustang is finally fixed, and thank you God for that. And yeah, just gonna crank it up. It's early in the morning, so we're gonna start it up, and I'll let you hear for yourself. Coastal. I'm gonna place the camera on the last time that I let you guys hear the sounding noise that was coming from the drivetrain up on the front, and so you guys could hear the same thing that happened. Here you go. That sounds so much better. So much better. And I'm so excited because the car drives so good. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. I took it the other day. I took it on the highway, and you can feel no vibration coming through the steering wheel. And also one thing that the tie rods fix. See this? Basically no play. I used to have so much play here, and now the feeling that you get when you hold on to the wheel, and also the resistance, it feels so much better. And also there's literally no play, and yeah, overall the car feels so good. So on this part of the video, you're probably wondering what the hell is wrong with that car. So yeah, let's go over everything that was wrong with the car, all the pieces and everything. Let's go into detail to show you what was wrong with the car. Alright guys, so I'm gonna lay up here everything, all the pieces that were bad on the front suspension of the Mustangs. What I got here is those are new pieces that I ordered from Amazon. You see the box, but they didn't work, unfortunately. I had to use different parts but we're gonna use this as comparisons to what new ones should look like versus old ones. So fortunately I don't have the new tie rods, but I could show you the old tie rods. So let's look into detail. A lot of these pieces we don't go under the cars and we don't check them, so I thought it was great for me to show you all the pieces. And by the way, the mechanic who did this is tremendous work, and yeah, he did a great job. He was able to save all these pieces so I could show you guys. And these are the tie rods of the Mustang. I don't know if you could see here the destruction. This rubber piece is completely off and just done pretty much. Let's see, let's inspect this one. Yeah, absolutely, you can see all the dirt and elements could get into that and not make it work and make it squeak. Now this is very interesting. This part of the tie rod, you see, should be like this. Should be hard to move by hand. Now check this one out. It's completely done. Now what we're seeing here is these are the control arms bushings. So control arms and the bushings go down here. I'm gonna show you a picture of what it should look like. But just in comparison, these are brand new ones that for some reason they didn't work for my car. I guess they sent me the wrong ones, but they're pretty similar. So let's inspect the first one, the thick ones. This one, it's alright, decent condition, you know, 90,000 miles. Now let's look at this one. Check this out, guys. Look at the destruction of this rubber part. It's just completely torn down. And it's actually missing, like there's actually a hole. But I don't know if you see it. I mean, it's just terrible. This is just metal with metal making sounds. And this is what it should look like. At least brand new, you know. Obviously it's not gonna look like that brand new, but it's just so we can make the comparison. Check out the other one. It's moved. Should be center. This should be center, and it's moved to one side because there's no rubber. Look at the temperature here. The amount of the temperature and the friction that must have happened for this part to completely come out. Obviously super dry and stuff. Let's check the other one. So the bigger ones aren't. This one is actually in good condition, but the small ones are just done. Now let's check the ball joints for the Mustang. This is what a brand new ball joint should look like, right? There's a brand new one that, like I said, just didn't work. This is my ball joint. Yep. Completely. There's no rubber part. There's nothing to guard this part, this ball. So this is making all the clunking noise and stuff on the front. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's all the parts that pretty much making all that noise. Also the shock absorbers were bad, and hi Shusho. And yeah, had to replace those as well. Also get the car line. And yep. Alright guys, so we're driving the car and I'm turning the wheels and there is no clunking noise. The car just sounds so good. It's just nice to not have any noise coming back to you every time you turn the wheels. It's so embarrassing, especially when you're pulling into a parking lot, right? And there's people outside, and then you come in and you're like, all of a sudden you're like just making all that It sounds like just, I don't know if you guys seen those like 90 Explorers, that the suspension in even F-150s, that the suspension just sounds terrible, especially when they go over speed bumps and stuff like that. Very slow when they turn the wheels. And this car, no lie, it sounded so similar to that. And I'm just happy that it's fixed, man. It's fixed. And that's why I'm making this little video, give you guys an update. And it sounds so good. And I have something a little bit special coming for you guys, and it's gonna give you a new perspective of driving this car. It's gonna be cool. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this update video. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all of you that have been supporting the channel, leaving your comments. I promise you I read all of the comments that you guys are leaving here. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you, because I really do appreciate all of the support, and I'm so thankful to be able to share this passion of mine with you guys. And even though I only have like 280 subs, it just means the world to me that, you know, 280 people just want to see the content that I post, that I create. I spend my time doing this when I have a chance, and I promise you that better content is coming your way. I'm working on it. And but meanwhile, I mean, you guys being supportive, and it just means the world to me. So I just want to thank you guys. And if you're new here and you enjoy this type of videos of how-tos or everything that goes car related, Mustang, I love Mustang. So if you're new here for the first time, please consider subscribing, coming back for more. And to all of you, I'm gonna say I love you and thank you for believing in the vision. Thank you.